Morning to you all, dear students and guys. Again, welcome back to the online classes of English for class 12th. Today, we will start the next lesson in English Reader Flamingo prose part. I have given the photos or the related video of this part yesterday also. Now today the explanation of this part, as you are seeing that the title of this lesson is Lost Spring Stories of Stolen Childhood. Here's the meaning of Lost Spring as symbolic, as in a person's life when he has lost his happiness, energetic and enthusiastic life and suffered by some difficult situation or as poorness, that is called that such person has lost spring in his life. Here the authoress describes about the poor children who has lost in the happiness of their childhood. About the author, Anis Jung, 1964, was born in Rourkela and spent her childhood and adolescence in Hyderabad. She received her education in Hyderabad and in the United States of America. Her parents were both writers. Anis Jung began her career as a writer in India. She has been an editor and columnist for major newspapers in India and abroad and has authored several books. The following is an excerpt from her book titled Lost Spring Stories of Stolen Childhood. Here she analyzes the grinding poverty and traditions which condemned the children to a life of exploitation. It means एनिस जंग का जन्म 1964 में राउरकेला में हुआ था और उनका बचपन और किशोरावस्था हैदराबाद में बीते। उनकी शिक्षा हैदराबाद और अमेरिका में हुई। उनके माता पिता दोनों ही लेखक थे। एनिस जंग ने भारत में लेखिका के रूप में अपनी आजीविका प्रारंभ की। वे भारत और विदेशों में प्रख्यात समाचार पत्रों की संपादक और स्तंभ लेखिका रह चुकी हैं। उन्होंने बहुत सी पुस्तकें लिखी। यहाँ दिया गया अवतरण उनकी पुस्तक लॉस्ट स्प्रिंग स्टोरीज ऑफ स्टोलन चाइल्डहुड से लिया गया है। यहाँ वे भयंकर गरीबी और परंपराओं का विश्लेषण करती हैं जिन्होंने इन बच्चों को शोषण का जीवन बिताने के लिए मजबूर किया। तो डिफिकल्ट वर्ड मीनिंग फ्रॉम दिस डिस्क्रिप्शन आर लाइक दिस एज ए ग्लोसरी एंड you have also attempted this in your fair notebook. Adolescence means the time in a person's life when he or she develops from a child into an adult, or in single word, poverty. It means collocation at age. Career means at work or livelihood. Editor means a person who is in charge of newspaper, magazine, etc. Authored means written. Columnist means a journalist who writes regular articles for a newspaper or magazine. Major means very large or important or famous. Abroad means in or to a foreign country. Excerpt means a short piece of writing, music, film, etc. Analysis means examines. Grinding means a difficult situation that never ends or improves. Poverty means poorness. Traditions means customs. Condemned means doom, or exploitation means an unfair way, especially in order to make money from their work. Now, the main expressions from the lesson are like this. Notice these expressions in the text, infer their meaning from the context. Main expressions from the text. Looking for means searching for. Perpetual state of poverty means never ending condition of being poor or continuous poverty. Slog their daylight hours means sweat or toil all day or work hard during the daytime. Dark hutments means dark encampment of huts or small hovels with little light. Roof over his head means he has at least a house or a covered cottage to live in. Imposed the baggage on the child means force the child to accept the long held opinions or put the load on the child. Yes, students, you should learn these main expressions from the text at first, and in this way the first part of this story entitled Sometimes I Find a Rupee in the Garbage. In this, I refers to a boy whose name is Sahib and full name is in the story Sahib-e-Alam says that he finds a rupee in the garbage. Garbage means rubbish or waste, especially domestic refuse, or it is also called filth, kooda kachra. Why do you do this? I asked Sahib, whom I encounter every morning scrounging for gold in the garbage dumps of my neighborhood. Sahib left his home long ago, set amidst the green fields of Dhaka. His home is not even a distant memory. There were many storms that swept away their fields and homes. His mother tells him that's why they left looking for gold in the big city where he now lives. Difficult word meaning from this are like this. Under glossary, you have also noted this. Garbage means rubbish or waste. It means especially domestic refuse or well or filth. Encounter means to meet. Dumps means heaps and or piles. Scrounging means seeking things of others or seeking to obtain something at the expense of others. Neighborhood means a vicinity. Long ago means many years before. Amidst means it is also amid or mid. It means in the middle of. Swept away means cleared away with. Mutters means says in a barely audible voice, and glibly means articulately but insincerely. Dear students, इसमें लेखिका कहती है कि जब साहेब कहता है कि वह कभी 1 रुपया कूड़ा कचरा में प्राप्त कर लेता है, तो लेखिका कहती है कि साहब रोज़ाना सुबह उसे अचानक मिल जाता है, वह उसके पड़ोस में कचरे के ढेर में सोना खोज रहा होता है. गोल्ड, सोना is also taken as a symbol of richness or wealth or a good life in the life of poor children. तो लेखिका कहती है कि मैंने उससे पूछा तुम यह काम क्यों करते हो. साहब ने अपना घर बहुत दिन पहले छोड़ दिया था. ढाका के हरे भरे खेतों के बीच बसे अपने घर की याद उसे बिल्कुल नहीं आती. उसकी माँ उसको बताती है कि बार बार आने वाले तूफ़ानों ने उनके घर और खेत तबाह कर दिए. यही कारण है कि वे वहाँ से छोड़कर सोने की खोज में बड़े शहर में आ गए जहाँ वे अब रहते हैं. I have nothing else to do, he mutters looking away. तो जैसे लेखिका ने साहेब जो उसे अचानक ही उसके घर के पास में कूड़े कचरे के ढेर में कुछ ढूंढते हुए, रोजी रोटी के लिए कुछ बीनते हुए, ढूंढते हुए मिलता है और लेखिका उससे पूछती है कि तुम यह काम क्यों करते हो। तो लेखिका कहती है कि उस साहेब बुदबुदाते हुए और इधर उधर देखते हुए कहता है कि मेरे पास इसके सिवाय और कोई काम करने को नहीं है। गो टू स्कूल, I say glibly, realizing immediately how hollow the advice must sound. इस पर लेखिका कहती है कि स्कूल जाओ। लेखिका कहती है कि मैंने सहज भाव से और साहेब से किए गए प्रश्न और उसके द्वारा दिए गए उत्तर का जवाब के रूप में पूछा कि स्कूल जाओ, और कि मैंने तुरंत महसूस किया कि मेरी सलाह में कोई दम नहीं है। इन दिस वे द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी lesson will be given the next day. Dear students, open your textbook whenever you follow this video, and also your notebook. Try to learn all related word meanings, difficult words from this, and main expressions of the text. Nice meeting to you the next day. Have a good day. Thank you.